please go back?
Oh
my God. Hi guys, welcome to Ras Adventures. So, did we just encounter a spirit or did we just encounter a Karen? You'll have to stay tuned later on to the video to see what actually happened. But my name's Amber. Hello.
I'm Harley.
And Summer, which is our
Hello.
is behind the camera. So, we are currently in, what was it?
Dog show area shoulder.
Okay, an area shelter beneath Stockport. It's quite chilly in here. So, I presume we have to go all the way down here. I don't know how far it goes in, because this is all new to me. So guys, we're literally in the tunnel. As you can see, Summer, our camera girl, which is right here, will get a second angle for you guys. Harley is currently on a ghost hunting app on his phone, and we've just encountered a spirit that's just said, "Find my body."
I look-key don't want to find their body because I don't know what's down here.
We've connected with some spirits called Roberts and Trisha. So if you guys are in this tunnel, hope you're doing okay. I hope you rest at peace. And
please don't be lost.
Yeah, don't be lost. So this light and shit, guys. We need to invest in a better lighting. There you go.
We'll let you go for now, though.
Yeah.
Peace.
You don't recognise me, I'm the one with the gas mask and the mask. I'm always in here.
Trisha Roberts, if you are listening to me, I come in peace.
Fuck me, that is dark.
Further,
Give me the light.
will we be okay?
Oh, there's nothing down there. Trace.
Whoa. Because
It goes further than that.
you can tell, you can see the arrow. Turn that light off, Amber, if you want.
Really?
You better not leave me, man, because I've got no lights. I wouldn't say I'm scared, but I'm scared. I don't know where I'm going.
Well, guys, this is our first ghost hunting adventure in an abandoned area shelter in Stockport. As you can see,
Try and look at us.
it's sketchy as fuck.
Look. Why? Where are we going?
Get the fuck away from me, spirit!
What the fuck? Don't leave me, guys.
Hey, stay there!
You just told us to go. What are you playing at?
I didn't say go, I said no!
You said go.
No! The spirit said he will torture you while I was in a bathroom. It said I will torture you while I was in a fucking bathroom.
Maybe you literally just shows up. You said go, so you liked it.
No, I said no. I shouted no while I was 6. I said look. He will touch you. This is a secret. I ain't getting touched up by no spirit.
Fucking dick. You just shined at my eyes.
No, it's actually gone. To all spirits, please do not fucking touch me. I am not kinky in that way.
H, you need to stick with us. You've got the ghost app. We don't.
Yep. I need a piss though.
Okay, give us a ghost app and go piss. Okay, so this is a ghost app. Amber, shall we ask her some questions? H needs to go pee. Let's go out.
I'm listening to everything.
Okay, one. Say something. It says it's listening to everything.
Spirit, will we be okay if we pursue to go forward?
Wait there. Is there someone in here? It's like you're not saying anything. Ah!
Is there any evil spirits beneath the tunnels?
Did someone die in here? That's Harley, dick. Harley, don't stop being a prat. Stop being a prat. It's literally. What?
All is well.
All is well.
All is well.
Are they good?
All is well. Yeah, all is well.
Are you good? Are you a good spirit?
I think so.
Please don't murder us.
Murderers. Murderers. That's a new word, guys. Stay tuned for the murderers.
Yeah, he's gone to the toilet. Stop flicking out that big.
I can't. Yeah.
Right. So what do you want to encounter here, Amber? Anything good?
Anything that's friendly, clearly. Spirit, the spirit who we are talking to currently, what is your name?
Waiting. Harley's gonna jump out. I'm gonna punch you if you jump out, Harley.
He's not speaking.
I know.
It's done it on purpose.
He's there.
How you dickweed?
See, he's there.
Abandoned.
We know it's abandoned. That's why we're here.
I'm the literal toilets are over there. There's men's and women's.
What's down there?
Toilets?
Down here?
Yeah. Also leads this way.
Fix this line.
But if you try and go out down
Give
here,
it.
in the pitch black, it is creepy. That's why I screamed.
Spirits who we are currently talking
When
to.
it's not saying none, it's...
Used to be down here.
That's how it's getting to us, Amber.
Wait, Amber, is
Amber.
there two bars yet?
Amber.
No, there's no signal.
Watch this.
Amber.
Watch this. Wait,
That's no signal.
wait, shut up for a second. Watch this. Watch when I get close. Watch them bars go up to 2. Dunk.
There's no bars that's gone up to.
Amber. That's how it's speaking to us.
Patricia.
Hi, Patricia. Nice to meet you.
Hello again.
Hi, Patricia.
No, it's a new person. Her name weren't Patricia.
Summer, I'm here every day.
What? Shut up.
The spirits I always talk to.
Amber, that's how it's contacting us.
Patricia, did you used to be down
It's
here?
took our source.
Oh, Jim,
This was full bars, and now it's not even coming on.
You were murdered.
That's how it's speaking to us. It's taking our sources.
Yeah, well, no, you were murdered by the nurses working in there.
What the fuck is that?
Man sticking a fucking needle in an asshole.
Quick. We're just walking up. I can hear noises. It's took the source. Jamie.
Evelyn,
It's took the source of the light. This was full bars.
if you were here, are you the
So
one
where's
that's
bathroom
messing with
there?
our light?
There's women's one.
Is that how you're speaking to us?
We're going down that way.
Dude, I don't want to get lost.
We're not. And on the way back.
You better know your way back, because I'm not getting fucking trapped in here. Because you're...
Summer, I'm in it every day. I know my way round. What is crack then?
There's too many paths.
Hey, it's crack then. Oh.
Move location, please.
It doesn't want us to be here. It says move location. It doesn't want us to be here.
Yeah, we need to walk further on.
It's telling us go, you have to listen to the thing.
Yeah, you need to
It
walk further
says
on.
move location.
It doesn't want us to be in this
No,
location.
he wants us to- That's what we
Evelyn,
walk further on. He wants us to
If
go to
we
the
carry on
stairs.
pursuing further, are we putting ourselves in danger?
Watch. To the spirit that I may be talking to, would you like us to walk to the stairs where we can hear the old-fashioned music playing?
Why is it so quiet? Once it's quiet, it's never a good sign. Don't start making noises, Harley.
I was only moving my fucking floor.
Not saying anything. Doesn't want us to be here.
Don't tell.
Don't tell.
Don't tell people if you want you to record it.
Why? Why do you not want us to record it?
Do you want to know why? Because it was my nurse.
Huh?
The nurse killed 20 kids in there during the war. A lot of people were massacred in there during the war by the wrong people.
Is what my friend Harley is saying is true? Was there a nurse that killed 20 children beneath these tunnels?
Adults. Well, most
Mate, I swear to God, it's something. If I hear a noise behind me, I'm legging it. So you better start running.
Who's going? Doesn't want us to go down.
Oh! You came on a second then.
Doesn't want us to go down there. He's gone all the way down there.
They mean you harm.
They mean you harm! Bitch! Harley, we're leaving you!
One.
They mean us harm!
It's fine.
The spirits just said they're gonna harm us!
You won't do anything. Swear down with Dad's life, you won't do anything to you.
Yeah, literally everything that's come out is move location, please don't tell, they mean you harm.
Yeah, it's fine. You don't want you to be
If they ain't red flags to tell you to leave, I don't know what is.
There's a crack den right there. That's why they mean you harm.
I'm
If
low-key
we
scared.
could- Evelyn, if this is you that I am trying to
Can you
connect
stand behind
with-
me? Because I'm low-key shit myself.
Accident.
No one's gonna come
There's
down.
an accident here. Come on.
There's an accident.
Quick, shall we just carry moving forward?
I'm shitting myself right now because I'm using a fucking flashlight on my watch.
Quick.
My watch is on like.
Just quickly, go forward. I don't know if it's the last one. Quick. Go
Evelyn,
fast.
If we are trying to connect with you, Is it safe?
I swear, I'm literally shit myself. I think someone's going to touch me.
You're welcome.
Someone needs to stay behind me, man.
I'm a test subject. I'll let them experience.
No, you can stay behind me because I'm shitting myself. I think someone's going to touch me. I keep hearing noises,
If
guys.
the spirits want to touch me or anything,
The fuck us! We can't have people touching. Oh, it's on.
I said me.
Jamie. It's on.
I'm in the corner.
So all this just thing.
What the fuck?
Oh, there's a corner over there. There's a corner over there.
Which one, Evelyn?
No,
And
can we actually please go
To
back?
go back.
Harley.
Harley, come on.
Harley, Amber's about to have a panic attack. We need to go.
Nice, fine, come on.
She's about to have a panic attack, Harley.
There you go. We won't harm you. Is that better?
She needs to go. Come on. Harley, we need to go.
Nice, fine. Look, we won't harm you.
She literally just said she was in the corner.
We won't harm you. You're fine.
Is it because I'm recording?
Would you recording, but they will tell you to take photos when they want you to take photos.
Would you like me to stop recording? If that's what you wish, I will stop.
You don't like video recordings, like photos. Because in photos, they manifest themselves into it.
I'm actually really scared, Evelyn.
When do we do go back? Because you're having a panic attack.
No, you can get to the stairs, you're fine.
No, I'll see what she's doing first. Because if she.
What stairs?
I'm hearing
The
noises.
stairs are literally that way. That's why.
What stairs?
Stairs to like the church of brothers.
So there is a way out.
It's the way that me and Summer were trying to find with Archie and Connor.
Can you actually get out of it, though?
That's the only way out, that way.
That way.
Yeah, back where we came.
Hers.
What?
Hers.
Hers. It's not showing up.
To any and all spirits here, please leave everyone
I'm
else
actually
alone.
shitting myself.
If you want to talk
Can
to
go
me,
somewhere else.
if you want to follow me or...
Stop telling it to follow you.
It's fine. I've got about 15 different spirits from here.
Yeah, you might want it, but we
That's what I
don't.
just said. Leave everyone else alone, but you can follow me.
Evelyn, will you mean us harm?
Do you mean us our harm, or will you be safe? Because I know you said we won't harm you. So will you
Come
touch us
closer
or
to
not?
me. I'm right on the edge, so come close.
You can literally follow me and you'll be safe.
Yeah. See if you can see her.
Evelyn.
Literally, if you want signal, you go to the stairs, you can get as much signal as you want.
What? What did he say?
Hunting.
Hunting!
Hunting.
Bitch, we're leaving.
Okay, goodbye.
You're not coming, no.
I'm going to the stairs. Just signal her.
Evelyn, if I take
Wait, 1
photos...
sec. Let me track it.
Where's the fucking meter gone?
He took it off.
Check down there. See what it does down
Right, I
there.
can see yous. That's tracking yous.
What was that sound?
It's tracking yous, look. If it goes to Amber, it's just tracking you, Amber and Jamie. Because look, it's a tracker. There's nothing down there.
Can you
It's clear over there.
Turn on the meter again.
Yeah.
You'll still talk while the meter's here.
Are we just standing here or are we going somewhere else?
In it, because I'm literally getting
Evelyn,
shit myself
wait.
just standing there.
Wait.
Evelyn, do you mean us harm?
No, I don't want that.
She didn't want to ask that question. She likes Amber.
You heard me.
You heard me.
She wants us to
No, like I
leave.
said, someone said that she had walking before. She could be following us.
That's not a good sign, my guy.
Evelyn, if I
We
take...
mean you no harm.
If we're going, we need to go now.
Shush, guys. Evelyn.
Harley,
if
don't
I
leave me.
take a picture down this tunnel that's
Shitting
like
myself.
facing,
Harley!
show yourself in this picture.
She's fucking scaring me.
Harley,
Yo,
come back this way for a minute.
stand right here, it's fine here.
Just come here for a minute.
Literally stand here, you're safer here.
Come where Harley is. Amber,
You come here, you can see all
we can't split up.
Can you hear her?
What? Don't say that. Mate, don't leave me last. I don't want to go last.
Guys, I just don't even want to be...
Drop hold of my bag. Don't let go of me. Amber, don't let go of me so I know you're there.
Take a rest, sit here.
Amber, grab hold of me. I'm being serious. What?
She lost her arm.
She lost an arm.
Literally, if you want to sit down, you can sit
I
down.
don't want to sit down. I want to get out of here.
Look, there's literally one path down that way.
Holly,
There's a
you've
path down
had
that way.
enough.
Harley, do you want to go? Just listen to her. Come on.
She's really scaring me.
Just come on, Harley. I'm trying to tell you.
Right, spirits, we are safe. We mean you no harm.
Come in
We
here.
do not
There's,
vandalise
no one
you.
can get us here.
If that's what you are worried about, we will not hurt you. We are here to help you.
Ask her, does she want me to record?
Would you like us to record or not? This is Harley. I'm the one with the mask on that always comes in here. Wherever the mask is,
In it, they use our sources to speak to
I
us.
put my mask on so you don't recognise my face. Because you never see my face off without the mask. There you go. The others. Right, here you go. So the others know me because I'm here all the time. This is my mask. I have my gas mask in a bag. If you want me to prove it's me, I will take it out
Who
right
is
now
that?
and put it on for you.
You see that? Mate, that is literally a fucking shadow.
There are multiple orbs there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Look at that though. It looks like a person.
Do you want to go somewhere
I
else?
said others.
Oh my god, can we please get out?
Leave, we'll leave. Harley, actually.
I'll see you outside.
What? Don't leave us!
The stairs are fine.
Harley, please, seriously, get out.
Please, can we just get in?
We are so sorry, Evelyn.
Evelyn, I'm so sorry. I apologise for my idiot cousin. I hope all of you spirits beneath these tunnels all rest in peace.
We respect you all.
In peace.
Harley, don't go too fast, man. We don't know our way.
Look, I will come back here with a few other mates of mine that were here last time when we had a smoke. They will talk to you. They are.
It smells.
No, they did not do
Amber.
so. We were having a smoke.
I'm gonna
They
grab
did
you.
actually. The woman I was with did smoke. She was praying to God.
She doesn't want you to.
Last time I
To
came.
go, she said, trust the women, my guy. I'm low-key shit myself. I didn't expect it to be this scary.
That's excuse.
I'm getting out first.
Are you fuck? Me and Amber are getting out first.
Oh, we can get out last.
I'm getting up first.
That's completely fine. I don't mind.
Who?
Hello, Raymond.
Hi, Raymond.
Right, I want to know if Alice is here with us.
Quick.
If Alice is here with us, then I
It's
will
going
have
too
to stay
fast.
back here. Because Alice, I know you. It is me, Harley. You are the one that you are always following.
You can't ask them too many questions each.
In here, I am always in here. You know me. You know I am safe. The people that are with me right now are safe. They are my family. They will never touch you or harm you. Do you understand? If the spirits want me to walk a bit further on, when they get outside, that will completely fine with me.
You might think we're scaredy cats, but this is literally the first time and I'm shitting myself.
My phone is on 48. No, I don't tell the people where they are. Don't worry.
You told us.
That's fine. No, you know me. You don't want
Rebecca.
to
Speak to Evelyn.
You don't want to
Evelyn likes us.
No, let me speak to Evelyn.
Evelyn, Amber is here to talk to you. I will
Fuck,
stay
thank
behind
fuck for that.
if you want you to talk to me.
Come here. We're right near the entrance then.
I'm speaking to you. We all do come in peace.
We are all
I
safe.
hope you are okay. I hope others that have...
It's Jamie. If you're going forward, record it.
Evelyn, do you like me and my sister? Me and this girl in red standing...
Hello, Evelyn. I think I got to do. What? I think I got a shadow figure. That's why I wanted to leave.
Any spirits here with us right now, please step in front of this camera. I am
That is
trusting you.
definitely a shadow figure.
Yeah.
Oh, bitch. Am I fuck?
This is why I should...
Guys, we've literally just been in here. I know Evelyn told me to not tell. I respect all spirits that rest in peace. In them, may you rest in peace, guys. I shit you not. I shit you not. On my phone, I asked Evelyn. I think someone was recording at the time. Well, our camera girl, right? I was recording at the time, and I said, Evelyn, if I take a picture, will you show yourself? Will you show yourself? So I took a picture, right? I shit you not, I thought it was nothing at first. All I seen was orbs, but that could have been mistaken by dust, right? I literally took the photo and you zoomed into the corner and there's like this tall, dark, shadowy figure with red eyes. If that does not tell you to get out, I don't know what does.
Ollie!
But this is, and you hear it first.
Where's he going?
We did not encounter a Karen. We've just encountered a spirit. Evelyn. Evelyn. It's Amber. We will not wreck your home. We do come in peace. Evelyn, are you okay with me recording? I just asked Evelyn. It's so cold. It's got so cold. Evelyn, are you stood right in front of me?
Every time I go now, he has the energy. So I say to him, you're taking my energy. I get home, I can't. I long to take my energy.
Evelyn, are you stood in front of me?
Oh, in there? No, I said no. I said no multiple times. You know why? He said he's going to touch you. I was like, fuck that. I was in the bathroom when he's going to touch you. Fuck off.
No, he sounded like he said, get out.
No, I said,
We all started lemonade.
I said no.
Evelyn, I thank you so much for talking.
No.
I thank you so much for talking. It's been lovely to chat with you. Evelyn, I'm asking you a question. No, in no disrespect. Do you mean us harm?
He said shooting.
They mean you harm.
They mean you harm. Evelyn doesn't mean us harm. This is the second time. Look, guys.
Oh, I know what it is. Hey, I know what it is. Fucking antagonized him.
Evelyn,
Antagonized last time, isn't there?
I appreciate you talking again. Do you mind if I show the public the picture that I found? Yo! I said, do you mind if I show the people what I found in that picture? And she goes, torch. Meaning get the torch, take another photo. I need someone up here with me. Evelyn, if I take a picture now in the darkness, will you show yourself to me? No, wait. I need my phone.
Give Amber a phone. Quick. It's my torch. It's on. It's gone off. Look. I need someone's torch. It's not letting me turn the torch on. Here.
Can you hold this?
Yeah, grab this phone then.
If you would like, you can show yourself to me. I couldn't hear us.
Is that understood?
You need to record the face on it.
I have.
You know, sit down there for a second. I'll tell you something.
A lot. Evelyn, I would like you to drain the battery from this phone. Right here, if you can see me, Evelyn, drain the battery from this phone. Who was the spirit with the red eyes, Evelyn? You said you was in the corner. Is the energy source that I'm providing you weak? Evelyn,
Yeah. No.
what is that? Eyes in the mouth.
Yeah.
Oh, with shitloads of teeth.
Show him pictures.
It weren't there before. Nice to meet you. I figured that we just thought it was Evelyn. It weren't there, look. Look, it's not there. And look.
It's there.
Evelyn, is this in the picture? Is this you, Evelyn? you recording this? Are you recording it?
I don't believe in competition.
Evelyn, is this you? Someone's coming.
Come on, that means to go.
Yes. What I seen was there was people murdering her and the nurse was arrested during the war for murdering all the children. Amber, ask if Alice is in there. Amber, ask Evelyn if Alice is in there.
I think she feels more better, you know.
Outside, yeah.
But she's not closed in. Yeah, but she's not closed in. That's it.
No, she's claustrophobic because it is, and then the spirit said it's hunting us. Like, bitch, no.
See, you say that, but you never do anything.
The Bambi, Jessica's.
I know. I've had a panic attack before. I know how it
You
feels.
say that, but you've never done anything to me.
To you. He said he was hunting
No,
us.
that's what I mean. It always says hunting to me.
Do anything.
It always says to me,
You
hunting.
can't.
No, you can't.
You
don't
can't,
always
like,
do
possess you.
No, not like that.
Evelyn said she's innocent. She does not come. She does not come.
Ask Evelyn, does she want us to go back inside? It's only scary because we've never been in there before. And then when it said it was hunting us and if someone was in the corner, it shit me off.
Okay, so we took a little break, as you can see. It's darker, but we're venturing away back into the cave. Well, not cave, but area shut, I think. But my shoulder, this one, is in so much pain. And my sister, who spoke to Evelyn, has got a really bad headache. So, see you back in there.
Well, welcome back to part 2, because it's our second time today coming in this abandoned air raid shelter. We encountered a ghost called Evelyn. We encountered her, a very, 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 very friendly,
Your family. Nice to meet
very
you.
friendly spirit. Mine, my cousin rudely interrupted.
The family.
But we all come in peace, and I hope you enjoy the adventure. My bad.
Henry Jeff Jackson.
Jeff, Jason, I'm family.
Then it's Amber, the girl from before who took pictures. Do you remember me? I was here like 2 hours ago.
She's there. We've got Jeff, Jason,
Harry.
Harry. Oh, no, I don't.
Evelyn, do you remember me? I was here before. I was the nice
That was me,
girl
my
that
bad.
took pictures. Are you guys staying with me? Lead the way.
They found my body.
That's what he said when Evelyn came. Yeah, she was asking where her body was.
Yeah, but they found my body.
That's what she said.
Evelyn, who found your body?
So I'm starting to get creepy. I'm not even fucking rude.
Not like that,
Don't say that, Jamie.
someone standing there.
Jamie, don't
Don't
say
do that.
To you.
I'm listening to you. Hi. What's your name?
How do you know
No, it's Evelyn, because
She said the exact same thing.
Yeah, but so many different spirits can say the same thing.
What the fuck was that sound?
It was the water, the juice in the bag.
Evelyn.
If it's not Evelyn, it could be Jason. I fucking shit myself. See where that arrow is? Wise.
I'm
said
not
you-
lying.
You see where that arrow is there? When you started walking off, something moved across the arrow, because the arrow completely went.
That's what I said before.
Yeah, there is some spirit showing itself right now.
You can't even see the arrow on my finger.
I can see the arrow.
On my,
right-
on my,
Yeah, no.
on my camera.
I know, but what I'm saying is I saw the arrow, but when you started walking
Take a
off,
picture down there.
There's nothing there, will it?
it's not, I saw something move.
There's nothing there.
Yeah, but something moved when you started walking off.
No, she said it was lies. I said someone was whistling and she said lies.
Yeah, but I saw someone
Wait,
move as well.
bitch, I got it on camera.
Yeah, but I also saw someone move. That's why I told you to come back, but none of you
No,
did.
I'm not saying. I'm not really disrespecting your spirits. Honestly, I need to go back in back.
It's recording.
Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
Hello again, Sarah. Cheers.
We're gonna start walking because once we stay in one spot, it kicks me out, like really bad.
Yeah, but the more you walk, the more you think, yeah.
I can't believe you fucking did that. If you saw what I saw, you would have. I so want to dip because what I saw. There's a massive shadow figure walking past the arrow.
Then let's do it.
I wanted to check it out though. Because it's not saying anything about
Evelyn.
the dangerous chef.
Go on then. Check it out with my camera. Holly.
What?
Give me that to take my camera.
Well, I'm standing.
Give me the phone.
Why have you been checking
I don't know. Just in case it gets stuck.
My cousin Harley's going to check down there. Wait. If you're there, make yourself present. If this goes in a circle, open the light on. Don't go too far, Harley.
Holly, don't scream either.
Hagen.
Excuse me, where the fuck are you going? Anywhere. Why did you go behind me?
Because you've got the flashlight, I don't have one. Wait, camera.
No, we're not going. We're not going. Come on. I'm waiting for yous. Wait, what was that?
Hagen.
Yeah, pagan's American thing for the Amish.
Huh?
Pagan is an Amish. It's another name for an Amish person. Come on. Although I need to. Come on. I'm waiting for yous. I'm fine.
That's onto my bag, guys.
Yeah, let's all hook up to each other. All grab hold of each other so we at least then. Nah, I don't feel anything.
Your hair.
That's a bit rude.
Do you not like gingers?
I can't see anything.
Yeah, there's nothing there.
That's my chest is going.
The orb, did you see that?
No.
On the camera?
No.
You didn't see that orb?
I wasn't looking at the camera.
Who was I?
No, that's
Chest is going fucking in my heart.
You okay?
You can't breathe.
Let him sit down for a second.
I need closure. What do you need closure with, Sarah?
To me and you just continue exploring it for a bit. Jamie, do you number want to sit there for a second while me and Summer go a bit further in?
You sure?
Yeah.
My phone, just take pictures.
Yes, please. Amber, take my bag.
Keep it on wide move.
Take my bag, thank you.
Take mine.
Wait, Summer, the singlest movement and we're fucking running out of this building.
Can I like try and see to get out of there?
What do you need closure with, Sarah?
Fucking hell, it is called watch.
Are we disrespecting you for being here? But she says, yeah, I'm out. I'm scared.
Summer, come on.
I'm scared.
As long as we're
Actually, hook me.
yeah. That's good. Because I'm shitting it myself now.
I'm shitting myself.
So am I. Jesus, because when you fucked off, right, I saw something move down there.
Don't, because you're making me more scared.
Well, there's nothing there now, it's all good.
Wait.
To the spirit that is here with us, is it fine to continue moving?
Are we allowed to move forward?
It will say move forward if we can. To the spirits here with us, are we allowed to move forward? There's nothing there, so we're fine.
I have bad memories.
So they can't remember stuff. Which is alright, because they could have Alzheimer's before they died.
Are you going to hurt us if we carry on?
Can we move forward?
Jesus Christ.
Sorry. No, say that and you'll say move forward if we can.
Don't go too far, Amber. When did your friends come in?
8 o'clock.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
So shall we hang out there 30 minutes?
Probably better, yeah. Wait there. Go together. What the fuck? You heard that, didn't you?
I did.
You were stupid.
Grab these, quick, grab him. I'm not gonna grab him. Give me that run, quick.
Hi. Okay, so I'm the person behind the camera. and I'm in the middle of editing it. And the next clip you're about to see is of me deciding to go in there by myself. I thought I could handle it since this is my first experience ever doing something like this. Turns out I couldn't. And I decided to show this clip because I wanted to show you that it's okay to be scared. And there is people there who can help you. So enjoy this next clip. You can laugh or you can joke or you can do whatever you please, because honestly, I shouldn't have done what I did in this clip. Don't!
Enjoy it! I'm fun!
Don't even! Oh my god, I'm scared! Something's gonna come after me, don't! Please, I beg! I don't believe in anything, please! Please don't attack me! I respect you guys, I wouldn't do anything to disrespect you! Oh my god, I'm shaking! Oh my god, I'm gonna cry!
You should call me and watch it.
It's not funny, I'm actually gonna cry! Piss off, oh god! Piss off, Ollie! I'm gonna cry, man!
It's a spider, don't matter.
Fucking... I don't want to move forward. I'm scared. Please. Please. Don't. Please. Please. Please, 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 please. If you don't know where I didn't die, I'm in it by myself. There's a fucking... Oh my god. I'm gonna cry, I can't. Fucking dickhead! It's so funny. I can't. Are you okay? She's fucking in tears, stop.
I didn't do anything, move
She's
my leg.
actually in
That's my leg,
tears.
I didn't bang anything.
No, that banging noise.
That wasn't me. No,
I
I moved my leg.
heard that.
You heard that, didn't you?
Yeah.
That
Right.
wasn't me. What's up?
So what's up? Get this.
Get her out.
What's up?
No, it was a fucking spider. I screamed because that was a spider, that was it.
Yeah, but I heard that noise when you were standing there.
I just want to make it. Let's bleeding.
We need to check if there's anything before the stairs so we don't get fucking murdered.
Let's bleeding. Your leg's bleeding.
Oh no.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Are you recording? Please.
No.
No, thank you. I've literally just come from here, ball the mirrors out, so.
That's the only useful thing I've ever tried in my life. Drop my phone down, I'm gonna cry.
They take the guys' energies. They like the girls. They took all the guys' energies from us.
Where's my phone?
I don't know.
I'll sit together, I don't know. You guys, I'm fucking love behind you.
No, not I'm right next to you.
So my phone's got automatic SOS in case still no signal. My phone can still be found. Just sit there. Can you have a shit? Oh. Yeah, she just needs to take a quick shit. Just quick shit real quick.
What?
Fucking hell. Might as well go by yourself at this rate.
I'm going to buy you one. Fuck we can't.
Ed, you okay?
Yeah, one sec.
Yo, wait. Use, wait.
Chipped in it.
I don't want to leave tomorrow. I'm not leaving it tomorrow. You see more movies? Yeah, so you know exactly what they're like. Who do you reckon will die first?
I don't know. They really like the women there. And they don't like gingers. I'm not offending any gingers, but
Yeah.
this great
You all voted you're going to die first.
It's getting dark. Dark. Does he actually know where his way is? Quick, we need to go.
I'm not gonna walk.
Quick, we need to go. Because they're going.
Harley, stop! Why have you left us, Harley?
Right, I'm leaving behind. Stop.
Fucking
Do you see the light?
Yeah, kinda. Hey. Oh, this is where it was before. Does that narrow?
Come on.
Quick.
Quick.
Let me grab the thing.
I'm literally using it because I need to stay.
That's fine. I have no torch for you guys to stick with me. Leave it. Quick. Harley, no, I'm not going any further. What? We're not going to go sleep here. We're not going to disrespect the people.
We're going right.
It's narrow. It feels like it's narrow. It's not. It's because of this bed. Where the fuck are they?
I've gone that way.
Harley! In front of me, I don't have a torch. They've gone that way. Harley! Seriously! Why are we going so deep in, man?
The stairs are this way.
You're going too far, though.
You're
We
walking
can't
away
see
from us.
anything.
That's why I'm waiting here, because this is where I told you I'd be last time where the city is. I'm waiting for him to get his spirit tracker up. Point it that way, and that
You
way.
need to be careful how you're going as well, because if I have a panic attack, you're all going to be fucked.
You're very happy, that's good. I'm very happy as well.
Really, are you? I'm fucking. Put down that from there.
If you're friendly, I'm happy, I'm friendly.
Wait, we're splitting up.
No, we're not.
No. Tell them to wait.
We're taking the
Wait.
photo
Harley,
to
if you don't
see
wait,
if
I'm
we
going to drop kick you in a minute.
I'm going to fucking drop kick you myself. Don't leave me last.
So I have to be last.
No, what? You're with me. Why am I not pulled like
You need
that?
to lift up.
Yep, give me your phone.
No, get caught.
He's getting tracked.
It's tracking something down.
He's tracking something down here, we're going straight towards it.
We're so far.
I really want to go. Can't be honest.
Harley,
No,
can we
Dad,
please not
can
go
I
any
get ready?
further?
Can I put on my brain? Fuck you, Dad.
Jess is getting fucking tight again.
It's so. It's pissing me off. Harley, can we go back?
The stairs are here. The stairs are here.
Yeah,
We can hear you, you dumbass.
Harley, you don't know your way back. I'm actually
I know my way back. I go in here quite a lot.
Yes, and Jamie's chest is getting tighter.
Yeah, you'll be fine once you go up there.
You'll be fine.
Go up
If he has
there.
a heart attack, yeah,
You'll be
it's
fine.
on you.
Go up there,
On
you'll be
you.
fine. There's
Where
fresh
is
air
it?
up there.
Where is it?
Yeah.
Because I can't
Yeah,
fucking
there's a
breathe
fresh
down
air
there and
up
it looks like the fucking tight. It's getting
I'm
tighter.
holding it.
Go up the stairs, there are fresh air because it goes to outside.
Don't worry, do you know, right, guys? I'm just going to quickly inform you about your friend Harley, right?
This
You know what? I had a proper panic attack before you, and you know what he said? Just keep pushing forward.
Yeah.
I had a proper panic attack.
You don't need to tell him. You don't need to tell him.
It's fucking horrible.
No. Go upstairs.
Go up there.
Yeah.
Put that.
My family.
Nice to visit my family. That's nice.
No, in here.
I don't want to be the last one. I really want to grab onto someone. Grab onto me,
Do you ever
Amber.
just want to run Harley into a wall?
Yes. Why is it so muddy down here? It's blocked up.
What do you mean that's outside?
Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is outside. This is outside. This is where the fucking roof is. Look. We're underneath the church.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's see my breath.
Well, if you stand right here, you get the fresh air.
Right, you said we made it, now let's go back.
Yeah.
Because I can't actually.
What are you picking up? Are you picking up Emily? You stand here for a minute, you'll get fresh air.
Yes, please.
Okay, nice to know. Was that you being trapped then?
Take a picture.
Don't do you. What was that? I need to call a fucking proof before
I really need to attach yourself to someone.
This one.
I don't want to be left behind.
It's the ground. Because once I start freaking out, I can't move. My legs go weak.
I'm not that type of person to just leave someone. If someone's like, actually, I'm going to shit, I'm not leaving until we're okay.
Oh, H did. He fucking ditched us.
What, did you take your shortcuts now?
Harley, go this way. Harley.
You two can go that way. Neil, do you want to take him back that way?
Go the fucking way. Harley, not shortcut.
Oh, you're taking the mickey.
I'm telling straight. Go on. Go that way.
Nah, you are taking the mick a bit.
Watch out.
Come on.
Don't say watch out. Let's snap your glasses off. Actually, no, we need them to see.
This is why I prefer it. I was up.
If we die,
Do you know
I'm
what?
crying.
You're so
Yeah.
nitpicky. Do you know why?
Just attach yourself so we don't lose each other.
Yeah. You want to sit here and complain?
I know where you are now, so I'll hold on to you back when I die. Oh no, don't do it. Hey, say cheese. Say cheese.
Bullshit.
Harley.
I like how I said we don't want to be the last one and we're the fucking last one.
Literally. Harley, can I tell you something important? You're a cunt.
Do you know my anxiety screaming saying if there's claps?
We're screwed.
I'm wearing fucking shorts.
No.
Oh, it's too dark down here.
I don't like it.
Yeah, neither.
I don't like this now. I hate it.
I'm dreading going back up there, you know?
Oh, the thing.
Yeah.
It's a lot easier getting out than in. Trust me, I've done it about 5 times today.
I was literally stuck there like, oh, did you see? But my legs just fucking out.
Amber, you should take a picture back there.
What?
Back there where you saw it. Where
I've seen it here.
Jeez.
Yeah, take the picture again, see if it's still there.
No, you can't shine your light.
Don't shine your light, don't shine your light.
Nothing's showing up now.
No, go.
Nothing's showing up. No, because I took pictures before. And I just didn't look at it.
He's being a prick.
Do you want to go first? Yeah, I did with mate.
Hurry up then.
Oh, if you get chefed up by fucking, what's that?
Yeah.
What's that?
They're bringing new ones of that out actually. 2025.
Wait, number 4?
Number 4. They're bringing the whole series out again.
Amber,
They're rebooting it all.
Amber, you listen to Spirits, don't you? He said don't listen to us.
Well, listen to you.
No, Spirits. He's telling me to go right, which is that way.
Oh, please don't be stupid, Harley.
I'm not.
You are.
That's toilets.
You're always stupid.
Emily, shut up. I'm actually following the Spirit. Oh.
This is spooky. This is a bit shit. Was, but it is, but not. Because now that I've thought about it, Amber, now that I've thought about it, we panicked all the way in there, but the stairs aren't even that good. As good as Harley made it out to be.
I hate being last. I hate being last. I hate being last.
I'll stick with you. I'll slow myself down.
I don't feel like I'm being followed. I'm actually really
Oh, don't even say that. She says she thinks she's being followed.
It's freaking me out.
Where's the entrance?
That way.
What? What, guys? Guys. Don't do that.
Don't do what? Leave.
Please, I'll go.
You can go if you want.
Please, come on.
I'm not leaving.
She's getting a photo.
I'm not leaving. I just don't want to be last, to be honest. I actually like you.
You're so
Like,
sweet.
because you left us once, I like you.
That seems sketchy down there. It looks like it, doesn't it?
But seriously, guys, I'm not even joking. Can I put fuck you on my grave? No, fuck you, Dad. On my grave.
Do what you please. I can hear the cars.
We'll show you that we come in peace back when me and my mate come back round.
What?
Huh?
I did say me and him are going back round.
Yeah, he said that to me, but they didn't know. They
What?
were all the way back.
No, me and him.
Yeah, but they didn't hear it.
Turn your lights off.
Oh shit.
No.
Once I finished editing it all, I realised we didn't have an outro. We might change this up. We probably will. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and the next one's going to be really crazy because I picked out, I've got about 20 new places we're going to go to. But I hope you enjoyed the video, like the video, and stick around for next time. Have a lovely day.